let's try and get her into the enclosure. Hopefully she's not going to run around crazy. These guys are a lot slower than huntsmen's in general, so hopefully this should go nice and smoothly, but we shall see. So we're just going to pop the lid nice and gently. And we're going to slowly take that off. And just gently get her to come out. Oh, yeah. Here we go. No, down that way, please. Thank you. Okay. I don't want to handle you, thank you. Come on. Okay, she's not playing ball too well. There we go.